What it do, baby? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So here I'm doing the soft locks tutorial, 42 inches, baby, real long. So I'm just showing you here that my hair is already parted because I have locks, but I am cutting them off. I already did cut them off, so stay tuned for that video. Anywho, you're gonna need the new locks, this specific brand, 24 inch and 18 inch. It doesn't matter which one you get, like which lock size. This is all they had, so this is what I'm working with. So 42 inches, boom. Here I'm showing you the difference in length, and this is what it looks like when you add them together. Hang time, baby, don't play. Okay, next I'm showing you here that it's seamless. You can't see no knots or nothing. So I use this hair to wrap my lock in there. I like this hair because it's very natural looking. Okay, you're gonna need some nail glue. You're gonna need your choice of gel. I like the Shine and Jam. A leave-in conditioner, a spray bottle with water. I added some oil in mine. You're gonna need tail comb, all that good stuff. Yeah, edge control. Yeah, and gel. Okay, so moving forward, you're gonna need a crochet hook, crochet needle thingy. And I don't even remember using that. I'm a duck. Anyways, I'm showing you the difference in length. The 24 compared to the 18. The 24 is a little bit longer. So what I'm doing is, the one I'm shaking is the one that we're going to work on first. So that's what the bottom of the 24 looks like. You're going to bust that open so it can become two, and then it should look like that. Once you do that, you're going to take the 18-inch lock and you're going to put your hole through the top of it. And then you're going to take the 24-inch lock, the bottom of it, you're going to take one of those little twigglies, you're going to put it through that 18-inch lock hole, and then it should look like this. Alright, are you with me? I'm trying to move real slow so you guys understand. That's what it should look like. And then you're going to tie it together like you're tying a shoelace. One time, boom, just like that. Make sure it's tight. Pull it nice and taut and tight. Yank. Alrighty. And then you're going to repeat that same step a second time. Alright. And then you're going to do it a third time, but you're not going to make it tight on the third time. You're going to leave it open like that because this is where you're going to put the nail glue. So you're going to take the nail glue, put a little dab on there, and tighten it down. And then blow on it for about 10 seconds. Okay? So once you do that, then you're going to wrap each end around the lock, around the direction of how the lock is twirling. You don't want to twirl it the opposite direction. So twirl it in the direction that the lock is already coiled. I hope that makes sense. So once you do that, and you get the gist of that, it's really easy, guys. I don't want you guys to think this is a hard task. It's not. It's so easy. Once you do that, you're going to make that seamless. So you're going to put it in your palms, rub them together like you're trying to start a fire real fast, real hard for like a good 15 seconds or until you think it looks straight. So this is what it looks like now. And then it's time to install. So this is the last one I'm working with, and this is the demo I'm going to show y'all. First, I'm going to moisturize it, spray with some water, oil, some leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to take the Shine and Jam, put that on my roots, smooth it out, make it look real nice and sexy and juicy. Then we're going to take the crochet needle, put it through the root of my hair. And then we're going to take the lock, put your finger through it, make sure that the latch is open. Put your lock through it, and then you're going to close it up. And you're going to pull it through the root. It's that simple, baby. It's not hard. Trust me, I wouldn't lie to you. So you're going to open it back up. You're going to take your lock, your braid, your twist, whatever you have, and you're going to pull it through that hole. And then you are going to tighten it by pulling on the fake lock. Alright, see what I'm doing? Then you're going to take the hair that you're going to wrap your hair with. I didn't wrap my hair in the crochet lock because it's already tightly coiled. It's too much to unravel it. So I'm just going to take this. You're going to cut off that straight piece because it'll be noticeable if you leave it on. You want it to be blunt like that. And then you're going to take the short side, put that next to your lock, and use the longer side to wrap the hair. So you're going to wrap the root about 3 to 4 times. I believe I did it 4 times, and I think this is a real speed so you guys can get it. So you're going to wrap it around 4 times, and then you're just gonna wrap all the way down the lock. Now that one, depending on how long your hair is, that one piece may not be enough, so you may have to go back in with another piece of hair. So that's how much hair I had left over. I had to get another piece, but the second piece of hair that you get for wrapping, it doesn't have to be as thick as that first piece. It can be a little bit thinner. So you just want to get enough wrapping hair to cover your hair. All right. So once you do that, okay, you just gonna do that little fire thing again. All right, boom, and then that's basically it. It's very simple. I like to spray my locks with the leave-in conditioner just to soften my hair, because you can't dip this hair. It's not like it's braids, so you just want to soften it up a little bit. It was a little stiff at the roots, okay? And then this is the end result. Real long, okay? Feeling myself, 42 inches.
Bruh.
Okay, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, you know what to do. Drop the like, drop the comment, you know what I mean? And I'll see you
Bruh.
in my next video. That was awkward. Okay, I wasn't done talking. It went by so fast. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.